Hello, my name is Sandrina. I come from New Caledonia and I'm 18 years old. I have been in Australia for 2 months and I'm doing the demi-pair program. The reason that I decided to come in Australia in order to discover the Australian culture and improve my English. I have decided to become a demi-pair student because I live far away from my family and I need to be in a family environment. It's been a great experience for me because I'm practicing English every day. As a demi-pair student, my duties are helping the mom to prepare the meals, cleaning the house, play with the children all the time, looking after them. I enjoy living in an Australian family because I can make the difference between Australian culture and my culture. And also I love this family because they are really friendly and they take me as a member of their family. And yeah, I love living in an Australian family. Langport is a great college because the staff is always there to help the students if they have any questions. It is a good advantage to be here at Langport because there is students from all around the world, and now I have made a lot of friends from different nationalities. The facilities are really good and the courses are really demanding. Like for example, I'm doing TOEIC class which is in 5 weeks, and my professor is really professional and I've been learning a lot of things from him. And I really recommend you to do this program because you will improve your English a lot. It's going to be a great experience in your life.